Okay, today I'm going to show you how to make your own fire sound for Counter-Strike. First, go to Audacity and record a sound. Ah! Okay, then you cut up the first part and the last part where there's no sound. So it's like that. It can be any sound you want. Then go to File and Export as WAV. Call it the name of the weapon. I'm choosing a Glock 18 1. That's for this, the sound name. I will post a name for each sound in the video description, because it's not everybody that is the same. Just save it on the desktop and press save. Okay, then you quit Audacity and go into the computer, your C drive or wherever, program files, go down until you find Steam, go to Steam apps, your username, Counter-Strike Sword, scroll down, C-Strike, scroll down, sounds, go to weapons, and here you need to make a folder. Each weapon has their own folder. I will of course post folder names in the description. Okay, but the Glock is just Glock. Then you take your file, the sound file we made earlier, the one Glock 18 1, and put it into the Glock folder. And that's it. Run Counter-Strike and you are done.